Hey guys, a very warm welcome to my channel. So let me quickly share with you how I made this delicious no-bake Biscoff cheesecake on my birthday. It's super easy to make, and this is actually my third time of making this, and it doesn't fail. So trust me, if I can make this, you can also make it. Do stick with me if you want to know how this was made. Thank you. So these are the ingredients I'll be using, and not to worry because I'll be writing them down. So with the help of my food processor, I'll just add some Biscoff cookies and then I'll give it a blend. You can also put them in a Ziploc bag and use a roller to mash or break them into pieces. So I'm sure you'll be asking yourself, what if I don't want it smooth? And like I said earlier, you can just use a roller to just mash or break them into pieces. So this is how it looks after blending. I'll just pour into a bowl, and just in case you are still confused, I used a full pack of the Biscoff cookies and I added extra 4 cookies. And then I scooped 2 spoons aside just for presentation purposes. So I also added some melted butter and then I mixed everything up. So if you are still watching and then you're enjoying what I'm doing, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to others. I truly appreciate it. When I'm done, I'll just transfer it back to a baking pan and then I'll use a cap to level it up. And just before I forget, you can as well grease the baking pan and then line with a parchment paper for easy access. So in a different bowl, I added some cream cheese and then this is the brand I'm using. And then I used 2 of that. I also proceeded and then added some drops of vanilla extract and then added 50 grams of powdered sugar, and then I whisked for like 4 minutes until it was creamy. And I also added 2 tablespoons of Biscoff paste and whisked for extra 2 minutes and then set aside. In another bowl, I added some double cream, and you can as well use whipping cream, and that's fine. I'll then whisk until it's creamy, and then I'll add it back to the cream cheese, and I'll be whisking for extra 2 minutes until it's all creamy. And then since it was my birthday, I wanted to add something extra, so I added some sprinkles, but then again, it's actually optional. You don't need to add that. When I'm done, I'll just whisk again and then add it back to my cake pan and then level it. So I had to use a spoon to level it how I want. And the next part is really important, so please take note. I added some Biscoff paste to a bowl and then microwaved it for a minute and then added it back. With the Biscoff paste, we have the crunchy version and then the smooth version. Please make sure you buy the smooth one as you can microwave the crunchy one. So what's the crunchy one now? Untumi microwave cry bed and untumi use. Yeah, so it's better for you to buy the smooth one. And then if you look carefully at the video, you could see how I was leveling it. And then for presentation purposes, I didn't want to use a spoon. So just use anything you are comfortable with. And when you are done, you decorate it using the Biscoff cookies you set aside. And since it was my birthday, I decided to add some sprinkles again. Let's look at the outcome. Come up and it's so easy. So when you are done, you can either freeze or put in the fridge. I tried both version and then they were all perfect. So this was the next day in the freezer, and after freezing I just used my knife because BBR became, and voila, we are all done now. But just look at that. And then to tell you the truth, this didn't last. They finished it within 2 hours because it's not overly sweet, so you can just manage how you add your sugar and everything. So because it was my birthday, I just needed to decorate it a bit. So please let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and then if you're trying this, please leave a feedback. Would be very pleased to know. And I also have similar recipes where I think I used Oreos and then digestive. Yeah. So please let me know if you want the video. Thank you so much for taking time to watch till the very end. I truly appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video, but please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to others. Bye.